Hi again, my name is Margaret Caraba and welcome to lesson 2.5. So in this lesson, we're going to cover a lot about the Forex market participants. And if you are new to this channel, if you're new to Forex trading, I'd advise you to go watch lesson 1 and lesson 2 so that you can get all caught up. If you're not new here, well, welcome back and let's get to it. Welcome to lesson 2.5, and in this lesson we're going to cover the international financial centers and Forex participants. So international financial centers are large international full-service centers with advanced settlements and payment systems. So this is where a lot of money issues are settled and paid. As we talked about in lesson 1, major international financial centers are in Sydney, Tokyo, London, Hong Kong, and New York. It is essential for a Forex trader to know the Forex participants and the Forex participant structure. This is essential because one needs to know who plays what role in the Forex trading world. At the very top of the Forex market ladder is the interbank market, and it's composed of the largest banks in the world and some smaller banks. So the participants of this market trade directly with each other and electronically through the electronic brokering services, or EBS. They also trade through the Reuters dealing. So let's get this straight. Major banks, small banks, and medium-sized banks trade directly with each other, or they trade through the EBS, or they can trade through the Reuters dealing. So traders should understand that electronic brokering services and Reuters dealing are electronic platforms for trading. Next on the ladder are hedge funds, corporations, retail market makers, and retail ECNs, or electronic communication networks. They do their transaction via commercial banks. So in the previous slide, you learned that major banks and small banks and medium-sized banks trade with each other or through the EBS or Reuters dealing. But retail market makers, retail ECNs, hedge funds, and commercial companies do their transactions via commercial banks. They do not trade through the EBS. They do not trade through the Reuters dealing. And finally, what's most relevant to us. So Forex was originally intended to be used by bankers and large institutions, and not us little guys. However, because of the rise of the internet, online Forex brokers are now able to offer trading accounts to retail traders like us. So here is the Forex structure hierarchy. We have major banks, medium-sized and small banks which trade with each other or trade through the electronic brokering services, the EBS, or they trade through the Reuters dealing. And after that, we have retail market makers, retail electronic communications networks, hedge funds, and commercial companies. Then finally, we have retail traders, which refers to us normal traders. So we have come to the end of our lesson. As usual, you will find the slides on the link below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and even comment. If you're old here, thank you so much for traveling this distance with me, and I will see all of you in the next lesson. Bye!